easy. Be easy. How about you say good morning? Okay, go get an apple. Anyway, happy 4th of July, everyone. For 4th of July, I'm going to wear my Marine Corps shirt. It's like one of the few days that you can like kind of get away with it, like without being like an over obsessive veteran. But I did my nails. I got red, white, and blue going on, and they have like 5 minutes left to dry, so I'm really trying hard not to touch things. Like they're dry, but if like they get like rubbed, they're gonna like move around and stuff, so I'm trying not to do too much with them as I just played with my hair. But it's going to be an exciting day. We have some barbecues to go to, hopefully some fireworks tonight. We're gonna meet up with Ariana later. Right now Nico and I are just hanging out while Dom's off doing something. I don't even know what he's doing. He's off somewhere. He's probably in the bathroom. Like 99% of the time, if I don't know where he is, he's in the bathroom, and that's like 90% of the day. But I'm gonna go and start making lunch for Nico and I don't know what we're gonna make, but that's what we're gonna go do. We are at the fireworks for our town. Waiting for Daddy to come with Nona and Nono. But they actually are having a ton of fun.
What?
Big one. Why does he like
I think boom.
like that?
Yeah. That's it. There it is.
Careful, your sister.
That's it. That's the one. That's what I was talking about.
We have finally made it home. It is like, what time is it? It is almost 11 o'clock. There was traffic trying to get home. Picked up Bala from Nona's house. We are now here. Zim's in her crate crying because I think she's still scared of the fireworks. But we'll probably let her out once we close the door. Yeah, once we close the door when Dom comes upstairs. I don't know what he's doing exactly, but he's downstairs with Bala doing something. But I wanted to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. Let me know in the comments down below what you did for the holiday. We had tons of fun. We did go to our friend's house and with a bunch of our friends and celebrated and had some fun, but I just didn't want to take the camera out. But I did show you the clips of the fireworks that we did go see. Do you want to say goodnight, Bala? Say night-night, Bala. Say night-night. She's just happy we're home with her now. And we're gonna go to sleep, right? Yeah. Remember to like and subscribe down below if you want to be part of our crew and stay up to date with our videos. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.